This is how you write "Hello World" in one of the worst programming languages ever. But there is a reason why it looks so bad. Brainfuck was created in 1993 by Urban Müller with the goal of creating the smallest possible compiler, just 240 bytes. That's smaller than a single tweet. I've messed around with crazy languages before, but man, this one is brutal. It has only 8 instructions, each of which is a single character. The instructions operate on a one-dimensional array of 30,000 cells, each storing a value between 0 and 255. It also has a data pointer that points to one of the cells. The plus and minus instructions increase or decrease the value at the data pointer by 1. The less than and greater than instructions move the data pointer left or right. Square brackets define a loop that repeats the enclosed instructions until the value at the data pointer is 0. Finally, the comma and dot instructions allow you to read and print a character using ASCII encoding. Doing even the simplest things is a pain in the ass. For example, if you want to set a cell to 0, you can loop the minus instruction. This snippet moves a cell to the right. If you wanna make a copy instead of just moving it, it's even trickier. This snippet moves the original value into both the second and third cells at the same time, effectively copying it. Then, the third cell is moved back to restore the original. And this is how you multiply two numbers.
One eternity later.
And now you officially know how to program in Brainfuck. Congratulations, you can put it on your CV. I've included a link in the description to an online compiler if you want to try it out.